Hi, my name is Adam Culbertson. I'm the Quartermaster here at Covered 6, and today we're going to take a minute and I'm going to show you how I use the Pursuit bag by Condor. Ever since I've started riding my bike again, I've been trying to find a bag that fits my needs, has a nice sleek design to it, and the Pursuit bag has fit that to a T. Let me show you what I've done. Let's start with the outer pouch. Long zipper, there's hook and loop Velcro on the inside. Keep wallets, keep headphones, sunglasses, pretty much whatever you want to keep out of your pocket so it doesn't actually fall out on the freeway. Let me show you what I've done to the main compartment. So you can see in here I have a compressor, 3 Atlas 46 pouches, and a lunchbox. Fits great for everyday use. These pouches are removable. Again, they're made by Atlas 46. Have 3 in here with different uses. This one is more hygiene, everyday use. The center one's for medical, so if either I'm riding either on the job, off the job, or on the highway, if I get hurt or someone else riding with me does, I can help them. In the bottom I have tools because, hey, things happen on the road, along with a portable compressor that can pump up to 150 PSI. Some of the things that I really like about this bag is the slim profile. Because it fits behind you so well, it doesn't add additional drag, especially when you're going high speeds on the freeway. The chest clip is perfect height. It's incredibly adjustable depending on the length of your torso, so it fits securely and snugly on me when I'm on the freeway or when I'm taking those sharp turns. So that's how I set up the Condor Pursuit bag as my everyday motorcycle riding bag. If you want to learn more about this bag, go to c6gear.com, or if you want to learn more about Covered 6 itself, go to covered6.com.